CJ, you are doing a great job. You are right to say we shouldn't do fuel politics, but the government also has to reduce the taxes imposed on fuel.
That's what I'm saying, sir.
That is what is making the prices of fuel go up.
And let's not also paint the picture as if say I buy when kwan buy. So I do two who do a good fan go so. Ono kwan. I buy bia wa babia no wo kwan. Na ba we ne duabo. I buy bia wa babia no wo kwan. Ya kasa aya no mo so mo ntie. One okay was some street sense.
Yeah.
So what I say, ya kasa aya mo ntie. The book politics is becoming too much. It's the okano. Sana me so meka wa ha. Say atuo bi wo de da ye fa ngo ho susu zema emwa yie. Nti ehwe wasem nka driver for say apart from a coin challenges are emwa mo car shocks na say for nya problem. For the petrol bape even nipa mo fro car no kwa no en wasem kan e kana. We understand them perfectly. Yeah. That's never back out say oye sales are. So oye 200 cedis ani na ko petrol mo. Now the 40 cedis or 50 cedis na ko sales. Now no na 2 cedis a day. Then obetim there. It's not that we are far away or we are detached from the realities of the ground. But you cannot. Yeah, I'm for you tag for I mean no what's in I mean poor much. But just signal they say omu jemu bo ekakrakra. You know, komodie ne kwaso kama. Enti ye domasi say almost omu jemu because so ye wo for na oba free Zuarungu aba UPSC e wa ha na tete afa so sama na obati de kana se. So ye wo for na oba free denchembo akopie wo eye tamalia de eken obati ase esa se CJ onya wo fo nti meka no o hwe me han
no
nti ase hostel untie bi ana wo so utie bi eka nyina untie
kwabra utie bi
ubisa se mimi tua bi adanse a wo hu se ubisa se mimi tua bi e akwa mu ade
Juma fan.
I want Ebesia and then there Joado obi ahwe no yi here can say pa
Debbie say wabeya no dan ye si akire ada abusafo
ni na Aisha kraka che me na ma bo se CJ se wawi is it na tad ni bia na obi na furu so ya na be kase and I'm say I say there tutu pelas if you come from aba wo di matem also Debbie is CJ hwe draw prescribe man no pay akaka dru ani maku ori hwentia so ma me no na no pa bia ni social maku ni betwe and I'm so ya betua wo ka se me no makaka dru ni hwentia
Manu adimi yo so for ye yana. Na me yes adi kwa na me person at say a man of God. Who ya won ni what say? Why na bon sambo no? Why na so da ye? Why na da wan so da ye? E wi asere mo me enti no me be ase na before ye de Ghana, ya Ghana no, ye de nyamesam no a te kire nwa to de say ya ma nipa bia ye moa. Di enya for my amoa. Wo sori na ye adwuma bra wo diske ko mama me a osofo sese me osofo bi obehia me onim de who I am. Because I speak my common sense. I'll not give you. I respect the man of God. Yes. Your attitude will tell me who you are. Usubaba chamso your man of God. Usubaba chamso your man of God. Because me sitting here, if I do good to you, I'm man of God to you. If you do nonsense to me, you are a Satan to me. Me see you were deep for me to say, and he say, friends. Oh, so for me referee di. Me dia papa ne me penance mo. Papa odi for oh me referee di order for. Oh so ko ba ampa yo. So wonu nana ya we ya papa we yale anu wo hwe no. Wan tin anu asam da wo social media so. E dia papa no wote ase won kwa. E na friend say odi for bi ahwe obi am obi ho aton. Wan fa ma je fans. Yeah, my pay boss. Yeah, we should have the present. Say, we should have do a best. I was friend say, yes, a pound. Saba pan in the show. Oh, me refinity dinner. That be our son come, or some consort to my muscle. Or some come a year to me. I say, well, no about Ghana, so I watch us come and be done. I got a YouTube, I'm a Tiamatagan and I'm Miti kroma memre. Aban bia mamska. Jo mama aban abati cheska. Enye do mutumi che. Ene mu take away. Do mutumi che ene pan. Do mutumi che ni. Eba chere mo. Do mutumi che. Enu ma bi wo amom ye hu se. De nkofo bi yare moa. Party we na mo. ya wanna kan wasem orofo me pa chanya de do mama ene ndisi o mutimi cheni enti wanti na Ghana youth ye mre okada pragia a government with policies they will come and bring you pragia okada wodi kwaye adwuma wonya 1 million to waye eno no wodi nya 2 million to waye na wona obi na na twa na wo gene ho de accident na de pragia de ku obi no wo dwene wo kwa obi fa so wuye ba sika wonya na wo dwene ho sa pan na do mama de ma kan yo fo me pa cha ni enye o mu ticket o de fese Ghana sa kan yo na wo ba mu she kwase ampanyiri chimi a wo to se ye be de bia ma do mama ba Ghana must be face apoa do mama be president Ghana fese mo chimi won o sa do be kan na o sa re no e na mu be di natem daddy fair be kan mo di natem yesu odi mata me ma ni ehia ni wo te Ghana wo bre e nya kufa na ma me bre firi me nkura brem I know it is a wo ma me abra aboa na so ma me bre nyina no ene wo wa be ni pa aboa kufa do MPP ba power ene wutimi express wo as somebody we call say be mu she kufa do ba power wo wutimi express wo say somebody we know say you are common sense family aboa NDC di jo mama ba power na we ni cheni asere be mu she aboafuru se mo anya sa mu chimi na mo di chimi na mu ku otumfo ni mase kwase ampanyini wo di mi kasati asante God say on respondo because say o say ya e be respondo a o ya MPP ni asante ni bia e coward some of them not all of them some of our Ashantis they are coward not to respond to you motherfucker. And you people got audacity to go to Ayinfie. Can't the chief if you over quite Ayinfie? No, Koboni Mwase. No, what Timochi, no, any Chimibum. What are you talking about? You claim to hate Ashantis, but you are living in Ashanti origin. Are you normal? You claim to hate the Otumfo, but you go to Otumfo Palace. Are you normal? You claim to love OmanHene, but you don't go to OmanHene Palace. Are you normal? Or you know our politics? Any OmanHene? Or no man so na me poni dia na ne de eba. Me poni dia na ne de eba. Na me pa so. Na what you ya? Na bie German. You be kan twi we de nya tawdi e twi pa me fa ne ma ba mu she de mu. Enti me sra mo. Me nua mo am 1 pp Umpire ukona uko bompire say nyame muana MPP form fa ba omiabra na no de omo ya we say ba omiabra president the NDC gu because that political trouble na chom they all know say ba omiabra president ya they know say their political trouble they are trying to do against MPP is always damage. Because the Baumia, you know, the Islam, you know, say MPP, we are racist, they bring Islam as a leader to MPP. The MPP, I know, no, they change Islam youth, their life. They are not educated. And then, omunya bonfo. And then, omuko school, obiko makalante we otimiko secondary school be ope Ghana. Otimi a prayer school be adi ohian so betwa. What Islam youth they have knowledge. Many what the classroom now no be free zongo betra classroom. You have to know say this person who problem one only me resam tro obetwa. And so you school na nya support. NDC was in power. NDC couldn't help any none of them. But they are polluting their mindset. They are polluting their, you know, them to be love NDC like NDC is from North. And I and